Hello friends, I am a digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start our new topic, tools to measure SEM. SEM means search engine marketing, which is paid actually. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit this like button and push the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is tool to measure SEM. So it's time to talk about using analytics to get most out of your search engine marketing or SEM campaigns. We are going to look at you how you can use analytics to figure out which keywords are the best ones for you to bid on, how to tailor your ads to make them more effective, and how to decide how much to bid for the spots that are the most cost effective for you. With search engine marketing, you are spending money actually. The good news is, with analytics, you can track what you spent, where, and understand where it was spent most effectively. Remember that guest house we have been talking about? Well, let's take this a bit further and pretend that it offers three themed rooms: King Jodhpuri, Modern Romance, Cricket Fanatic. To promote each of these, let's say you decide to run separate search campaign with the goal of getting people to visit your website and take a video tour of one of these rooms. Business is pretty good, but you did like to take it to the next level. With an analytics tool, you can check the keywords you are using to each of your campaign and immediately see which are the most effective. Let's say you are looking at your modern romance campaign. You notice that when your keywords romantic guest house and guest house for a romantic weekend were used, the visitors took a video tour as well of that room about 5% of the time. This is known as 5% conversion rate for the goal of taking the video tour. But when people search for keywords like luxury romantic guest house or luxurious romantic guest houses, the conversion rate drops to only 1%. You have just found something you can improve, and there are lots of ways you might choose to do it. First, you might look at the relevant pages on your website and see if there are some changes required or not. Take a look at all your luxury adverts and test some different messages that might really highlight either the video tour itself or the luxury aspects of the guest house it is. Whatever you decide to do, the key is that you will still be tracking what happens after you make your changes, and that means you will be able to see if your fix raise that conversion rate from 1 to something better or not. That covers a few different ways you can measure the keywords you are bidding on. Analytics can help you understand the impact of the actual ads you are running. You know that you want to write ads that are clear and compelling to your user, but ultimately those users will decide what clear and compelling means to them. And that's where analytics can help. Sticking with this modern romance campaign, let's say you have two different ads with two different headlines. One reads luxury resorts and other reads romantic weekend accommodation. Analytics tools can show you how these compare side by side. You can see which one is more likely to get a click and send someone to your site, and which one is more likely to get a visitors to take that video to. This will tell you which one you should be using, and you can even use the insights you learn here across other campaigns and other areas on your website. Last, analytics tool can help you understand that how much you should be bidding for ads to make sure you are getting a good return on your SEM investments. By using Google Analytics, which integrates deeply with Google Ads, and you can see the keywords and ads driving people to your website and what do they often when they get there. But you can also see quite a bit more. For example, how much you had to pay for each one of those clicks, and how high up on the results page on your bids put your ads. This gives you a lot of clarity into both that you are using, getting your investment, as well as if it makes sense for your bid higher and lower to reach different positions that works for your business. Let's say you are not only the guest house in town and you have got some competition from new age guest house as well. You might see that when you bid enough to outdo new age guest house and your ad is in the top spot, it results in a conversion rates of 2%. But if you keep digging, your analytics tool might also tell you that when you bid lower and end up with them, and underneath new age guest house you get a little less traffic, but your conversion rate jumps up to 4%. Of course, the ideal position and bid for you will be depend on lots of things, and you might find that it's better to be higher and or better to be lower. But the key is that by using analytics, you will know exactly where you performed the best. And that means you will be getting more out of your investment than your competition. Whether you are analyzing your keywords, your ads, or how you are bidding in your campaigns, analytics tools are essential to get the most out of your SEM investments. So, before you make another update to your campaign, make sure you drive those decisions with data. I hope you like this video. I hope the points have been clear to you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.